again had blamed the Modi Sarkar of orchestrating the terror attack to win the elections. Now we are looking at this bid once again gaining resurgence with the Congress after the Samajwadi Party also pulling out the same remark, saying that this Pulwama remark has now been made by Congress Neta Tariq Anwar, who has stoked a row, saying that it was the BJP who used Pulwama terror attack for electoral gains.
बीजेपी ने उसका फायदा उठाया। खुद प्रधानमंत्री ने जो 2019 के चुनाव की ये तो है कि बीजेपी ने उसका फायदा उठाया। खुद प्रधानमंत्री ने जो 2019 के चुनाव में उसको एक तरह से चुनावी मुद्दा बनाने का प्रयास किया।
Well, Pulwama is in news again for the wrong reasons, as we are looking at when it comes to the terror attack and where more than 40 of our brave hearts were martyred. Well, isn't it an insult, Nyamika, to their memory itself when such kind of statements come in? We have seen the leaders coming in from Samajwadi Party and now even the Congress questioning as far as when it comes to the terror attack and the motive behind it.
Well, Amita, the entire statement of Tariq Anwar was about the Pulwama attack, stating that why there is still no answers being given by the government that from where this RDX had come from. He had stated that the BJP had used this entire issue during the 2019 elections, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also given several of the speeches mentioning about this attack, and for that reason he has made this allegation against the BJP that they have used it for their own electoral gains, but clearly he has also demanded that what are the reasons behind this attack? How come this much of RDX had being present there? Why there is still no answer being given on the part of the government of India? That is what is being stated by Mr. Tariq Anwar. He's saying that till now we haven't seen that government has clarified about the reasons behind this entire attack, but he has also supported the statement which was been given by the Samajwadi Party's MP, stating that even Prime Minister Narendra Modi was also tried to sort votes on in the name of Pulwama attack in 2019.
Right, but somehow when it comes to the opposition leader seems to be absolving Pakistan of its role there, as there has been no mention of the terror state when they make such statements. Let's listen into Tariq Anwar again.
कि ये तो है कि बीजेपी ने उसका फायदा उठाया। खुद प्रधानमंत्री ने जो 2019 के चुनाव में उसको एक तरह से चुनावी मुद्दा बनाने का प्रयास किया था। ये तो कोई छिपी हुई बात नहीं है, ऑन रिकॉर्ड है। लेकिन जहाँ तक पुलवामा का मामला है, अभी तक ये स्पष्ट नहीं हुआ कि जो RDX आया, जो गाड़ी इस्तेमाल हुई, कैसे वहाँ तक पहुँची।
So after the Congress, let's highlight on the statements that have been coming from the Samajwadi Party too. Here is a Samajwadi Party Neta who seems to be stoking a controversy, saying that Pulwama terror attack was carried out by the BJP to mislead the people.
पुलवामा किसी विदेशी साजिश की तब नहीं हुआ था। पुलवामा भारत के प्रधानमंत्री और उनके सहयोगियों के द्वारा कूटनीति के तहत आपको भरमाने के लिए किया गया था।
And where did it all come from? We also talk about how the leaders there who have been questioning when it comes to the intent of the government, and also what happened then in 2024. It was the same government that came back to power. But as elections are near, when it comes to several states like West Bengal, here is what the Chief Minister had to say while linking when it comes to elections in the state to terror attacks.
বাংলায় শুধু অনুপ্রবেশকারী, কাশ্মীরে নাকি নেই। তাই যদি সত্যি হয় বন্ধু, একটা কথার উত্তর চাই, পহেলগাঁও তাহলে কি আপনারা করলেন? যত দোষ বাংলা, এই রাজনৈতিক হ্যাংলা, রাজনৈতিক হ্যাংলার দল আগের বার এসে বলেছিল ইসবার 200 পার হয়ে গেছে পোগার পার, আর এবার করছে SIR। এত মানুষের মৃত্যু, এখনো পর্যন্ত 58 থেকে 60 জন মানুষ মারা